Hi, I'm Gary and welcome to my shop. In this video I'm going to show you how to put these router bushing guides in and how to do it very safely. And what we'll be doing is putting the knurled nut on and then tightening this down with a spanner wrench. And I'll show you how we can make the holes here and how to use the spanner wrench to make this very secure and tight, better than just using your fingers, or better than trying to tighten this on with the pliers or something that will damage the bushing. I will show you how I do this. Oftentimes for some of our applications with our router, we'll put a bushing guide into the bottom of our router plate, and that helps to guide the bushing around a template, such as doing dovetails and so forth. And once you got that in there, then what you have to do is get this knurled nut screwed on to the bottom side of it there, which can be a little precarious and difficult sometimes. Okay, now I've got that started on there and get that tightened up. Yeah, it's hard to get your fingers in here to get a good tight fit. And to tighten this up here, it's just really hard to get it really good and tight. And if you use a pair of pliers on this, being brass, you're going to wind up damaging this, and then it's not going to work for you after some time. So I've had times when these have come loose because you have to keep tightening these and you just can't keep them tight. Then that can ruin your workpiece, or if it comes apart on you, that can be very dangerous to you. One of the options I've seen come up on the Woodsmith shop on their video tips was how to put a couple of holes in this bushing guide on the drill press, and these are 1/8 inch holes. Then what you use is this bicycle spanner wrench, and I'll source this in the description below. It's very cheap. And what we can do is we can fit this into these two holes. And then hold the inside there and get just a little more tweak there to get that good and tight. Then to get it apart again, just put the spanner wrench in again, loosen it up, and you can get it apart. Like I said, 1/8 inch holes in this, and I did it on the drill press and held this in place with a block as I was drilling it. Very good, a lot safer than just trying to get this on with your fingers, and using wrenches, of course, with these brass parts would just ruin these parts after a while. So, very good, very safe. Try that out. That'll keep your bushing guides in place a lot better for you. Now the difficulty of getting this on sometimes is getting your fingers under here and getting this good and tight. Some people might suggest removing this entirely from the body so you can get to this a lot easier. Still, if you have already got your template centered on here with the centering pin, then you may not want to take this apart and take a chance on getting your center off kilter a little bit. So that's one consideration. Well, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and you got the inspiration to make something yourself that will help you with your routing. If you did, please give me a like and share it with your family, friends, and fellow craftspersons. Also, please subscribe and be sure to hit that bell icon so you can see what I may come up with next. I also greatly appreciate all your comments. I get a lot of great ideas from you. And if the women don't find you handsome, at least they should find you handy. Thank you.